Hey guys, welcome to the Team Ball YouTube channel where we cover all things movement. What we do will make what you do better. And this week we're going to workout of the week. So just before I start my workout, JK's workout, we've both given a little score out of 40 for ourselves today. JK had a big weekend, I didn't. Something that you may have seen around the gym, so just keep an eye on that. We've also been through just our easy little mobilizers this morning, myself just to keep my body moving right, and JK has too. You can look at those videos on the Fundamental Movement Pattern series elsewhere on the channel. So have a little check out there first up before you start working into your workout of the week. So again, starting with our primal movement pattern work that we've done. First exercise is going to be in a plank position, a high plank position. Now I'm going to work for 5 reps on my right arm, 5 reps on my left arm of this high plank hold, as I then work into a pulling action and a pushing action to then go right side to left side of my body. Okay, so set the body nice and strong in that high plank position, nice neutral spine. What I'm going to do is take a hold of the sandbell, drag up close into that line of body, reach that high. Just overshoot slightly forward, easing down to my opposing hand. Set that high plank position before rep number 2. Alright, so after doing the first exercise, we go to the second. Take a bit of a break as long as you need to, just to get yourself back into control, heart rate down a little bit. And again, we're going to work from that plank position. So, same as what Joe had, sits over a nice high plank, and we're going to work through with our step through. So something else we talked about is varying vectors and moving through different positions and different places with action. So first up with this next exercise, I'm working the squat and I'm working the press of our primal movements. So that sit and press, that squat and press action is something that you can repeat for 10 reps where you would like to. If you want to add some variety into that, whether that's through the direction in which I'm pressing, or whether that's with foot position as well as the direction of my press, then by all means you can work into exactly that as well. Working those 10 reps, plenty of variability to my vectors of movement as I go. Alright, next up we're going to move into our ice skaters. So lateral movement side to side. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to start lower in the intensity of the load, and then I will slowly ramp it up as I continue through the set. So you can opt for a level that suits where you want to work in today's session. Alright, so we're going to start some stepping first. We start to add a little bit more to the movement, and then we can start to add a bit more reach and rotation. You decide where you want to take it to. So JK touched on a little bit of rotation there. Now this next exercise is all about rotation. Creating that draw across the body and using the wall as my little partner in this exercise. Now again, this may be from a little bit more of a dynamic step, or this may be from a nice full side step, in and out, shuffle, in and out. I'm going to do 10 reps on my right side and 10 reps on my left. Alright, to finish up today, last exercise is going to be a hinge patch. So back to our primal movements, we're working the hinge, and we're working with a bit of the swing with our sandbell. Okay, so get yourself set. So you're working a nice hinge, and in this one, one here, we're going to try and let go of the belt so we can add a bit of practice catching and readjusting our grip each time. If you want to change it, go single arm. When you're single arm, remember this ghost arm to the side, okay? Tall neutral spine. And working through. This one here, if you want to go a bit more than 10 reps, you can. Okay, you can take it for as long as you want to, and then keep that work rate just going for a little bit longer. So these are the different options of Sandbells that we've got here in the gym. Depending on how you're feeling for your workout, depending on where you're at with your score out of 40, depending on how well you've slept, drunk, eaten, and have mobilized already today, that'll totally dictate which of the choices of weight that you choose. That was this week's workout of the week, guys.